Imagine, if you will, a world not entirely our own. A realm where the unexplained is commonplace, and our understanding of reality is but a drop in the cosmic ocean. Now let's cast our minds back to that perplexing event, the disappearance of Flight 370. Consider for a moment the alien abduction theory. Yes, it's a far-fetched concept, but isn't it fascinating? In the vast expanse of the universe teeming with galaxies, stars and planets, the possibility of extraterrestrial life cannot be completely ruled out. Some believe that these cosmic inhabitants might be advanced enough to intercept our earthly constructs, like Flight 370. Perhaps on that fateful day, an otherworldly force did intervene, plucking the aircraft from our skies and spiriting it away to unknown realms. It's a theory that stirs the imagination and challenges our perception of reality. Could an otherworldly force have intervened on that fateful day? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the mystery of Flight 370. March 8, 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 took off, bound for Beijing, with 239 souls aboard. Little did they know, they were embarking on a journey into the unknown. The plane lifted off from Kuala Lumpur International Airport at a minute past midnight. The night sky was clear, and the Boeing 777-200ER was in the capable hands of a seasoned pilot. The flight path was a well-trodden one, a red-eye flight that should have seen the passengers in Beijing for breakfast. Up in the cockpit, the flight crew made routine checks, their voices calm and professional. The plane was cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet when all seemed to go eerily quiet. The weather conditions were normal, no stormy skies, no turbulent winds, nothing that could hint at the mystery that was about to unfold. At 1:17 a.m., something unusual happened. The aircraft's communication with the ground was cut off. The transponder, a device that communicates the aircraft's speed, altitude and position, stopped transmitting. But before that, a final communication echoed through the radio waves, chilling in its banality. "Good night, Malaysian 370. It was a standard phrase, a customary sign-off between pilots and air traffic controllers. But this time, it was different. This time, it was the last anyone would hear from the flight. The phrase, so ordinary in its delivery, would soon take on a haunting resonance. After that, nothing. No distress call, no indication of any technical malfunctions, no hint of trouble, just silence. The flight had disappeared from the radar screens, its signal lost. The plane, once a bright blip against the dark ocean of the night sky, was now just a ghost. And then, silence. The plane, along with all its passengers, vanished into thin air. It was as if Flight 370 had stepped off the edge of the world, slipped into a void where even the laws of physics seemed to falter. A routine flight had turned into an enigma, a modern-day mystery that continues to baffle and intrigue us to this day. In the wake of the disappearance, a multinational search was launched. Theories sprouted as numerous as the stars in the night sky. The search for Flight 370 was no small endeavor. It spanned several countries and involved a myriad of experts. Various nations poured resources into the hunt, deploying ships, aircraft, and even satellites. Despite the vastness of the task, the world was united in its pursuit of answers. As the search wore on, so did the theorizing. One such theory was the official one, positing that the flight ended tragically in the Indian Ocean. This theory was backed by satellite data and several pieces of washed-up debris. Yet, it didn't fully satisfy the thirst for answers. And then, there were the wild theories. Some suggested alien abduction, pointing to the sudden disappearance and the lack of distress signals as proof. Others hypothesized a black hole, despite the fact that such a phenomenon occurring near Earth would have had catastrophic consequences. These theories, while fascinating, lacked the scientific grounding of the official one. But theories are just that, theories. They provide potential explanations, but without definitive proof, they remain in the realm of speculation. And so, the search continued, fueled by hope, determination, and an unwavering desire to uncover the truth. Yet, despite the tireless efforts and countless theories, the plane remained lost. Here we stand, years later, the disappearance of Flight 370 still shrouded in mystery. Despite tireless search efforts, no definitive evidence has been found. The plane, its passengers, all remain lost. Theories continue to swirl from the plausible to the fantastical, each adding another layer to this enigmatic puzzle. Yet, with every passing day, the mystery deepens, the questions multiply. Flight 370, a modern mystery, a story of human tragedy, a stark reminder of the vast unknown that still exists in our world, a mystery that for now remains unsolved.